Okay, this is day 3 of our Roadtrek maiden voyage. The previous 2 videos, we ended up in Jackpot. We're leaving Jackpot in beautiful country. I think you're going to enjoy some of the scenes here. We don't exactly know where we're going, but here we are in Wells. Okay, so Wells, Nevada is pretty important because it is this transportation hub. So it's a good rest stop for people. Now around this area, there's a lot of hunting and fishing, and there's several lakes and streams, a lot of attractions. There's an Angel Lake, which is kind of way up in the mountains, and there's 12 Mile Hot Springs and hot springs in a slot canyon, lots of off-roading. So I guess they host a big classic car show too. So it actually grew up in the 19th century as a water supply point on the trail. And then later the railroad came through here to California. So it was a pretty important town. Now, as you can see by the upcoming pictures and stuff that I took, the town is kind of run down, and all the different motels, they had a lot of really cool motels there. They're pretty well done, and now there's big new motels and stuff. So anyway, that's just a little bit about Wells. Oh, the population is a little over 1,000, and it's about 5,000 feet high, elevation wise. Well, this kind of gives you an idea of what it's like. There's not too much here. It's all right. So here we have some highlights as we head on over to Wendover. Okay, so this is the exit, and we drive by Wendover, and it was shocking to me. Oh my gosh, there's so many casinos. There is a big military complex here, so I suppose they get a lot of the military people in there. I don't know if they might not even be able to go in and gamble, but it's huge. I also would imagine a lot of people from Salt Lake come over here because I-80 goes right over to Salt Lake, so it's not that far from Salt Lake. Anyway, we turned here so we can go down the alternate 93, and it is an incredible quiet road with lots of interesting wide open space. It does make you feel like you're in the middle of nowhere, but did you see all those casinos? My gosh, who would expect that? Because now, as we head down right now, 93, Nevada 93, US 93 actually it is. It's the alternate road. I've never been on this one before. Going right through the Great Salt Lake Basin, or the upper part of it anyway. And shortly, I don't know how many miles down from here is where we found our camp spot, and it was beautiful. It was really cool to see this country, and I'm glad I have a chance to show it to you. So if you like these kind of road trips and see an unusual country on roads less traveled, think about subscribing. And you know, if you like this video and leave some comments, that's cool too, because that really helps the channel. And Travels with Lucky does go to some interesting places from time to time. Now, this is the camp spot that we ended up camping. It's just really out in the middle of nowhere. We saw no one. And we had a great surprise in the morning when we woke up. Okay, I'm pretty sure we're out in the middle of nowhere. Not really sure where, but I think we're gonna spend a little time here. And the wind is blowing pretty good. Yeah, no kidding. Here we are in the middle of nowhere. I really don't know where we are. somewhere in Nevada. How about that? Okay, day 3 of our road trek adventure is coming to a close. We are literally in the middle of nowhere, somewhere in Nevada. The sun's going down. The sky has been pretty smoke-filled from the California fires. I'll probably have some more pictures before the day is over of the sun going down. We had no idea what we were going to see in the morning when we woke up. Because, I mean, look around. You've been watching this video this far, and I thank you for that. Hope you liked it. Hope you clicked that like button. Anyway, when we woke up in the morning, we had an awesome experience. So you got to watch the next video. Subscribe so you get, and click that notification bell so you get a notice of it. I'll have that up a few days after this one. But Nevada is a really interesting place, and it's especially interesting when you can camp out here. You never know what you're going to see. Well, thanks a lot for watching, and I have some more shots here. Yeah, look at that. A couch out here. Who would have brought the couch way out here? Well, you never know what you're going to see. I didn't expect to see a couch. Well, I didn't expect to see what we saw in the morning either. So, there's our rig. As you can see, nothing around forever and ever. Except Lucky. There's Lucky. So yeah, I'm literally walking into the sunset.